Your site sends emails to visitors when they shop, donate, create accounts, or purchase payment plans for digital products. The design and content of these emails are ready to use as is, but you can customize them to match your design and brand. Visit the link in the description to see a full list of emails that your site sends. The shared design for your email notifications is called Global Styles. To open and modify these global styles, open the Customer Notifications panel. In the Global Styles panel, click Edit Email. To match your site's styles automatically, click Quickly Match Your Site. Otherwise, you can customize each element, like your site logo, colors, fonts, headers and footers, and buttons. You can also customize specific email notifications by opening them in the Customer Notifications panel. For example, we'll edit the Order Confirmed email. You can add elements like text, images, spacer blocks, or horizontal lines. Click the plus icon in the email preview to add them. When you're done, click Save. To see how these emails look to your customers, open any email type in the left panel. Then click Send Test. You can send these emails to yourself or to your team to ensure the experience matches your business and brand. Let us know if you have any further questions. We're always here to help.